Very beautiful.
Why you love this village?
Because it is very old and it has been many people living there and hard working, very hard. Friend with her in Facebook.
You did?
Yeah.
你好。
我们上次有吃过。
谢谢你，谢谢你。
1、2、3。
设计还蛮。
Look
大家都认识，都是年轻人。
beautiful
三圈。
from here. There is a little. You see me? No, not in the water.
Only a little bit.
Good memories I have. Great, great. Good start.
Okay.
I like that. It's good. It's not this. It's not this. This one. Eh? Here, I go always here. Coming home, I go out of here, this street. But going, I go to the temple. Wishes. To make a wish or to know the future.
Today it's your last time go here?
Yes, it's my last time, my last day. My studio is here. Yes. This is my studio. Make clothes. Treasure Hill, I mean, it's the traces from Treasure Hill, and Treasure Hill is in the moving. It's a lot of people coming and going and stay here for. And these are the trains from Taiwan. I fall in love with this house. And these photos are all from Beiming. And people have written me back from Netherlands, from Taiwan.